Excellencies, distinguished members of the Permanent Forum, distinguished elders and representatives of indigenous peoples' organizations, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to send greetings to the Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issues. I welcome your focus on conflict, peace, and resolution. Indigenous peoples are increasingly being drawn into conflicts over their lands, resources, and rights. Lasting peace requires that indigenous peoples have access to cultural, social, and economic justice. The 2014 World Conference on Indigenous Peoples called on the United Nations to ensure a coherent approach. In response, we have developed a system-wide action plan which we will launch today. It is essential that we work as one to realize the full rights of indigenous peoples. I commend the President of the General Assembly for beginning consultations on the further participation of indigenous peoples at the United Nations. Member states are beginning implementation of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, the Addis Ababa Action Agenda, the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction, and the Paris Agreement on Climate Change. We must ensure that indigenous peoples, including women, participate and benefit. I wish you a successful session and look forward to its outcome. Thank you.